Hello everyone, this is Prabhav Sharma UR15CS353 and today we will be discussing on classes. The question reads as to create a class called time that has separate integer member data for hours, minutes and seconds. One constructor should initialize this data to 0 and another should initialize it to fixed values. Another member function should display it in 11:59:59 format. The final member function should add two objects of type time pass as arguments. A main of program should create two initialized time objects should they be constant and one that isn't initialized. Then it should add the two initialized values together, leaving the result in the third variable. Finally, it should display the value of this variable. Make appropriate number function constant. Now we will be looking at the program and I'm going to start codeblock software. Starting with as we do normally, hash include iostream, which is a preprocessor directive, and moving on, it comes at using namespace standard, which is the standard library file. Then I'm declaring the class as the class time. Then I'm using integer r, minute, and second for declaring the variables. By default, it is a private member variable that it can't be inherited by non-member functions. Then I'm declaring a new function which is called a public. It is used by any function so that anybody can see it. Then I'm the class which I have declared, which is called time. Here I'm declaring it is a function which is known as constructors having the same name as the class and are invoked when the object 3 of the function is 3. Object 3 will be looking down in the program. That's why I'm using object 3 here. Then I'm going to start my program with r equal to minute equal to second, which is the cascading of multiple variable to the value 0. Then time integer r, integer minute, integer second. It is the constructor which is was with the given in the question. I'm using it with the arguments. Then in the r equal to r, minute equal to minute, second equal to second is a simple logic that I'm using. Then I'm using the void display constant, which is a member function that can access member variables and can be inherited very easily. Here we will be using object 1, object 2 and object 3, which I told you earlier, which are using as an logic which was mentioned in the question, that object 3 dot r equal to object 1 dot r plus object 2 dot r, which we saw in the question. Then I'm going to return the value of object 3 to get the output. Then I'm using integer main again in the end. Then I'm using time p1, which will be given in the output. It is a class object 3 that can be used to call nil arguments constructor that initializes the value of certain variables to 0. Then I'm using time p2, which is the two function that invoke a second type of constructor and another constructor. The time which I'm using is 6:30:10. Let's see what we get in the output. Let's see the output. So we can do it. Okay. Yeah, to show you the output. See here is showing the same as 6:30:10, which was mentioned in the question. So that's it. Thank you for watching.